My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly, and get on with improving your other innovations. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow know what you truly want to become. I'm convinced that about half of what separates successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful ones is pure perseverance. If you are working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed, the vision pulls you. If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today? Be a yardstick of quality. Some people are not used to an environment where excellence is expected. I'm as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. Great things in business are never done by one person. They're done by a team of people. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than 2 doubles. It's only by saying no that you can concentrate on the things that are really important. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. I think the things you regret most in life are the things you didn't do. My job is not to be easy on people. My job is to make them better. Being the richest man in the cemetery doesn't matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we've done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. The greatest thing is when you do put your heart and soul into something over an extended period of time, and it is worth it. It's really hard to design products by focus groups. A lot of times, people don't know what they want until you show it to them. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith.